Hey everybody, Andrew here. And if you know me, you know that I love soccer. I even have another YouTube channel dedicated to soccer that myself and my brother produce. You want to check that out, it's Schwalik FC. I'll link that in the description. But yes, I love soccer. I played it my entire life. And there was a special team that I played for called the Delaware Knights. It's where I found some of my best friends that we still are close today. And I had an awesome experience. So I wanted to get the two jerseys that I had from that time playing framed. I had done so much research. I wanted to find the perfect frame for these jerseys. One that wasn't too expensive and wasn't too large, but fit the jerseys nice and was kind of cool looking. And I wanted to eventually use it in the backdrop for some of the soccer videos that I make. However, it was so difficult trying to find the right frame.
Yes, it is extremely difficult.
I thought about getting custom frame done, but that was so expensive and they usually ended up looking super massive on your wall. I didn't really want that. I wanted something small and simple. Then I tried to look at some of the local stores like Joann's and different places like that to see if they had some frames that I could use. But all of those frames were just as large, if not larger. So unfortunately, I struggled to find something. Then one day I was doing some research and I happened to find a very interesting frame. It was small, it was thin, it was lightweight, and it was extremely affordable. 20 bucks to be exact. Check it out. This is the frame that I ended up purchasing so that I could end up framing those soccer jerseys that I had worn. It's unique because it looks like an actual t-shirt. It's super lightweight, it's really thin, and I love it. It's exactly what I was looking for, and I didn't have to break open my bank account to purchase it. Now, let's actually put the jersey in this so that you can see what it's like and if it may be the right type of frame for you. Before I do shove a jersey in that frame so that you can see the process of how you put a jersey in it, check out this jersey. I ended up framing one of my Delaware Knights soccer jerseys in the other frame so that you can see what it looked like as a finished product. How sweet is this? It actually looks like a soccer jersey hanging on your wall. It's still super lightweight and it fits it perfectly. Now let's actually put the away soccer jersey that I have in the additional frame so that you can see what the process looks like. When you're trying to frame a t-shirt or a jersey in these frames, you really just need three things. The frame itself, the jersey or t-shirt that you want to frame, and then the simple instructions that this frame comes with. It gives you a step-by-step walkthrough of how you actually go about putting your t-shirt or your jersey in here to make it look sharp. Now let's dive in and put this jersey in here. First things first, pop off the corners so that you can snag your brand new frame and turn it over. Next step, there are these little tabs that you have to turn to the side so that you can take the back off of your frame. Once you have all of those black tabs turned to the outside, you can take the black back off of your frame and set that to the side. You're going to see all of these little styrofoam pads in here. That's just to protect the frame from rattling around during storage and shipping. You can ditch those. Next, you'll find this piece of cardboard shaped like a t-shirt. This is your folding frame. You're going to want to keep this, so make sure you don't throw it away. Last thing in here is the sample t-shirt. You can totally ditch that, unless you want to hang it up somewhere, but that would be weird.
That would be weird.
Now it is game time. You're going to need the jersey or the t-shirt that you want to frame. However, there is one important thing that you need to know. This frame is not meant for extremely large jerseys or t-shirts. They say on the instructions, the best size is any youth size and an adult small is the largest shirt that you should attempt to frame. Now, I haven't tried it with any larger shirts because this is a youth extra large because this was the jersey I played in when I was a kid and I wanted to make sure that I could save this and frame this someday, so it is smaller. And that is something important to note before buying this frame. Make sure the jersey or the shirt that you're going to frame is a youth size or an adult small. Now, let's get to framing this bad boy. So you're going to take your jersey or your shirt and place it face down in the frame so that the front of the shirt will be facing the outside of the glass. Unless you want the back to be showing, that's up to you. I want the front with the Delaware Knights logo to be showing. Next thing, take the cardboard folding frame that you had, because you're going to set that on the back of the jersey or the t-shirt that you're going to frame. The next thing that you're going to be doing is folding the outsides of your jersey around this frame so that it will fit inside of the actual frame itself. Now this part will take some adjusting because you're going to want to make sure it's nice and taut so that the front doesn't have any wrinkles. You may have to adjust it a little bit to make sure that the front is showing the aspects of the t-shirt or the jersey that you want to show, so you're going to have to play around with it a little bit. Doesn't hurt to hold the back and take a quick peek to see how your frame and jersey will look so that you make sure you have it folded appropriately. Once you've got the jersey folded around all of the sides, you take the back of the frame and you place it now on the back of the t-shirt and that folding guide. Make sure all of the sides of the jersey get tucked in behind this black portion. And once you do that, you're going to start pushing those tabs back over that black back so that it will hold in place when you go and hang up your newly framed jersey. Alright, now let's see how she looks. Isn't that just beautiful? I may need to stretch out the sides just a little bit more to get rid of some of those wrinkles, and honestly, I probably should have ironed it because it's been in storage for probably around 8 years now, but it looks sharp and it's going to look even better up next to the home jersey too. I'm pretty excited to get these up. Let's check them out together. Both jerseys have been framed and I absolutely love them. It's a unique frame style. It's super small, it's thin, it's light, it still looks sleek, and it's affordable at literally just $20. You can snag it on Amazon. I'll link these frames below so that if it's interesting to you, if you think it's the right fit, you can do a little more research and you can get them for yourself. But I love them. I can't wait to get these hung up. I'm so excited, and I hope this video at least informs you of an awesome new jersey t-shirt frame that is affordable, that could make your gear look sick. All right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna go hang these bad boys up. Thanks for hanging out. And if you like the video, why not subscribe? I do a bunch of cool tutorials, lifestyle videos, as well as talk about and go on a ton of travel adventures. I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for hanging out, and I'm excited to hear about the awesome projects that you're gonna be doing and the sweet jerseys that you're gonna be framing. I'll see you soon. We out. Yo, thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxings, tech reviews, and how-tos, you can subscribe right over here. Now click that little bell so you can be the first to see all my new videos. Now on to the next one.